In this video, we're going to be taking the sound chain apart to see what the inside looks like. And here's all my screwdrivers for curious. Now I'm going to be using the thickest one for these bigger screws in here after I get these little things up like this. Now hit me in the arm. They're just little circle pads. They're like the rubber feet kinda. God dang, my hands are all sweaty. Let me use my shirt for a minute. Here's all the screws were. Here's the back plate right here. And here is what the inside looks like so far. Now I'm going to get those little screws out of there, alright? And I'm going to have to use my little screwdriver for this. Maybe a little bit bigger of a screwdriver actually will work. Aha, found the good one that works. Is that really the only screw holding this in? What the fuck? Alright, let me go ahead and take this off real quick with the little connector. So that's what the LED board looks like with the buttons on it. Now there's a bunch of little like screws in there and shit. So we'll be going to get them out. If I can. Sometimes I want to be a bit stubborn. What the? Oh my god, the button's already falling out. There's only 2 screws holding this entire thing, and what the heck? I thought there'd be more than 2, but okay. I farted. Oh my god. Damn. Oh, it smells terrible. I don't know if it got it, but it stinks like really bad new now. Holy moly, it stinks. I wonder if I can get that off somehow. I want the plastic casing out of it, but I think it's actually glued onto it. Yeah, it's definitely glued together somehow. Oh wait, I found a way to get it off. It's just rubber. Hey, it's coming out now. Let's go. Oh, I think I just pushed it back in there. So I need to go all the way around to turn it like that. Oh my god, dude. I see it. It's coming out now. Oh. That was hard to get that little speaker out of there, but here's the speaker, guys. Now I want to see if I can put it back together. No, I'm not putting the speaker in there right now. I'm just going to plug the LED light to see if it works. And then I will keep the speaker and blow it up for a video, I guess. The connector doesn't want to go in there right now. Everything's trying to stick to it. Do you know where the connectors are? Yeah, the connectors are on the bottom. Guys, it does not want to go in there. I don't know what the problem is, but it just will not go in there. Oh, there we go. I got it in. Let's see, the magnet just says China on it. 403 watts. I don't think that's true. Alright, now we're going to turn it on with the speaker like this. Jesus, I almost fell. Ready for the speaker to be on? There's a volume button. Here, I'll show you this flavor. Look at this! I don't know if you can see this, but it's a speaker. Ready? It's so funny. It's so quiet though. Alright, that's enough. I'm gonna put it back together. Psych, just kidding. I'm actually gonna tear the speaker apart so that way I can have the speaker, and then I'll just throw the rest of it away. I don't really need the soundboard or anything, so bye.